Oh, but you're just barely holding.
It's at the end of chapter 16. I don't know what page it's on.
Imperial units in my physics class.
Yeah, I know. So when you get to question number 1, well, here, I'll find out what page it's on. I'll tell you in a second.
Would you like some kilo feet?
Oh, I can figure it out. Hold on. You said it's 16? I got it. Like 17.
What makes the systems a meter footage area?
It's page 524 for the questions
Yeah,
and
page-
525 for the problems.
Okay.
Okay, now let
Okay, Boomer.
me kind of go over this first question. Okay, so it says light can easily pass through water and through air, but light will reflect from the surface of a lake. What does this tell you about the speed of light in air and in water? So,
They're different.
It's different.
well, yeah, I mean that's just it. So if you look at, and it's got this really cool picture, and I've got one.
The speed of light in water is roughly half the speed of light in a vacuum.
On your index of refraction. So this is a cool picture that I took. I didn't even know it at the time until I developed it. So it was a hyena that was drinking out of just this shallow pool of water. And so, well, what's cool is that when I first got it, I actually had it. It was actually upside down, and I didn't know it. And I framed it that way, and then somebody said, you know, your picture's upside down. I said, what do you mean? He goes, well, your trees are growing down. And so then when you flip it over, it pretty much looks the exact same because of that reflection.
So why didn't you keep it upside down?
Well, because it bugged me. That's why. It's just like, you're right. Okay.
An avalanche.
Well, that's okay. And so if you look at what had to happen to generate this picture of this hyena, is that the sunlight was bouncing off the hyena, then it was hitting that light that was on the water, and then it was basically acting like a mirror, and then it was reflecting it. So, and that's the cool thing about light, and if we'll spend a lot more time talking about light, and sometimes light, if you think about it too much, it'll kind of mess with your mind. So, basically I had 2 distinct sources of this light. One that was directed directly off of the hyena itself, and then some of that light was hitting that surface of that light. And if the water had not reflected any of that light off of it, then you wouldn't see the hyena. So because of the fact that when light travels from air into water, it slows down. And so that's why you get this image. So that's why when you look at this picture with this question where it has like a clear lake and then it has the mountains in the background, is because of the fact that when light hits water, it affects it differently because there's different speeds, and that's why all of that light doesn't either get transmitted into the water or reflected off of it. So you get kind of a blend of the two. So just keep that in mind when you answer question number 1. Okay, Mia, we're done.